How to watch TikTok on full screen. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can watch your TikTok on full screen on the device. And here you'll be able to watch videos and browse them. Now, the only way you can watch the TikTok video on full screen is by downloading the video. Now, to download a video, click on the share icon that you can find on the screen right here, and here you'll get the option to save video. Save this video and it starts saving. Once the video gets saved, go to your gallery and here on videos you'll find your downloaded video. You can see the video right here, and once you play, you'll be able to watch the video on full screen. This is the only way you can watch your TikTok on full screen, or you can browse videos on full screen, because TikTok doesn't allow you any option to watch the videos on full screen. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.